Welcome to the Metal Company, New Zealand's #1 supplier of all things stainless steel. Our clients love building impressive projects, not ordering parts, waiting for product, or doing paperwork. I mean, who does? That's why we exist, to make it easy. But we've kind of taken it to the extreme. Let me show you. First, our website. While most suppliers' online presence amounts to little more than a glorified spreadsheet, ours is a completely interactive ordering platform where our full range is available to quote or order online anytime. We have invested heavily in making the website amazing by adding CAD models, helpful video tutorials, and ensuring all our data is accurate. Our customer service team is just a mere call, message, or email away. Now let me show you what's really cool about the Metal Company. Our warehouse. Everything you could possibly need under one roof. We have a very impressive selection of long lengths, fittings, our very own brands, nice, and so much more. Over here, we have quality control, where every product is meticulously checked. Over here, we have dispatch. We pride ourselves on incredibly fast shipping to anywhere in the country. Whether you're ordering a single piece or a pallet's worth, our team is so effective that we can offer you same-day dispatch. That's super fast. Order today, send today. So it's pretty obvious, right? That's why so many businesses partner with the Metal Company, because we make it easy. Welcome to the Metal Company, you're speaking with Vernon. Sure, we can do that for you. Absolutely, no problem at all.